Díoghaibh is Mrs. Siobhan. Hi, I'm Siobhan from Bite Size Irish Gaelic. And today, let's learn a few ways to say I'm sorry in Irish. Tá brón orm. Tá brón orm. I'm sorry. It literally means there's sadness on me. Tá brón orm. Another is leh-shkayl. leh-shkayl. G could be pronounced Gabh or Gabh. leh-shkayl. It literally means accept my excuse. leh-shkayl. I'm sorry. leh-shkayl can also be used as excuse me. And then the third one we'll learn today, tá aiféala orm. Tá aiféala orm. It literally means there's regret on me, as in I regret it. Aiféala is regret. Tá aiféala orm. I'm sorry. Why not sign up to Irish for Beginners? A free 1-month course delivered by email. Sign up here.